Today, we are going to learn how to draw Kuromi's face step by step. Step 1. Draw a wide oval for the face. Draw the top part of a heart inside the face. Draw 2 long ovals for the eyes and a tiny nose in the middle. Let's draw a little skull on the forehead. Draw 2 diamond shapes on top for the hat. Don't forget to add small circles on the tips. Good job! Now we are ready to color. Please subscribe for more fun drawings.